Your angels are teaching you that when you express yourself with truth, integrity, and love, wonderful things happen in a quick and remarkable way. Note that problems in your life only serve a chance for you to evolve and thrive on a soul level. It is advising you to practice romantic gestures with your lover in your relationship. Show them how grateful you are for their love and attention by expressing your respect and admiration. Ignore those who speak negatively about you and others. Simply follow your heart's lead. This is a sign that many will start to flow into your life in a positive way. God won't let you stay down permanently since life is round. Everyone has the potential to recover and lead fulfilling lives. The time has come for you to gain fully from your labor of love. The universe is giving you access to every thought that could help you long-term while reaching your long-term goals. Increase your faith in yourself and your angels. Believe that you will soon be asserting this stability in all facets of your life. You are relieved of the need to worry about what will happen tomorrow and when. God's words and promises are trustworthy, and He will always fulfill them when you need them the most. Never forget to live your life honestly and sincerely. Being truthful to yourself and to others doesn't make you a fool or less of a person. It implies that you respect others and show them the treatment they deserve. If you're just joyful and positive, good energy will readily flow down into you, allowing you to gain positivity in your life. Being honest requires you to understand that you are never required to recall the last thing you said to someone. When someone acts foolishly, those with strong energy can detect lies from great distances, and few people would want to be around someone who cannot be trusted. You don't have to conform to society in order to get their favor, so keep that in mind. No matter how much money you have or what worldly belongings you possess, love for your neighbor must be unconditional. A sincere, loving heart would be concerned with how you appreciate yourself and who you are at your core and the bottom of your heart. You will soon be known as a wealthy person, a wealthy, intelligent individual who is always full of wisdom, and someone who understands how to value everything in front of them and evaluate all that is put in front of you.